Okay, hello everyone. Before I begin, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Emmanuel Faki, NPM 23411-068, and I'm from class MNG 23A. First, I will briefly explain the topic of public transportation user, tourism service, and hospitality. So, the Guildner and Ricci perspective transport role. Concept transport as the superstructure and infrastructure connector within the tourism system. Infrastructure fixed installation, road, track, terminals, airports, and superstructure operating system, faceless scheduling service staff. And next, definition of public transport in tourism. Any non-private mode of transport utilized by tourists to travel between their origin and destination for mobility within the destination. And hospitality in transit have moving beyond vacation, getting there to experience and enjoying the journey. Next, user motivation for causing public transport. Geldner and factor. Economic factor. Lower costs compared to car rental or private taxis, especially important for mass and budget tourism segment. And team factor, speed and reliability, AG, dedicated metro units bypass traffic. And aesthetic factor, the desire for a scenic road or any queue experience, AG, historic times, high-speed trains with viewing decks. And convening factor, eliminating parking, navigation stress, and legal complaints issues. And next, depth dive into user segmentation and needs. Behavioral segmentation of transit, tourist segment, primary needs, hospitality expectation, and explorer or backpacker, low cost, flexibility, authentic interaction with local, real-time local knowledge from staff, and leisure family safety, have accessibility is clear within spacious setting, dedicated family zones, a high trust environment, and mice have meeting incentives, punctuality, connectivity, premium connectivity, strong Wi-Fi, designate quit at work, carry this seamless group booking. Cruise, passenger or group tour, predictability, speed pre-arranged shuttle and charter public transport, minimal waiting time, multilingual assistances, and next the pain point for tourists in public transit. The first, the unknown, fear of getting lost, complex signage, or lack of maps. And two, the transaction, confusion over ticketing for system have cash versus digital zone of virus. The languages problem, lack of dedicated storage space and difficulty navigating stairs and crowd with heavy baggages, and the language barrier, inability to communicate need or ask for help during description. And next, accessibility and inclusivity, universal design. Physical needs, requirement for RAM, lift, audio level, and assessment clear for marketing basic paving for visually impaired user. Cognitive needs, simple station, layout, consistent color coding, and easy to read timetables to reduce travel stress. And the hospitality commitment, ensuring all services are available to all guests, regardless regardless of physical or cognitive limitation. And measuring user satisfaction or key metric, customer effort score or CAS. How easy was it for the tourists to complete their journey? Cleaning rating, cleanliness rate, user perception of hygiene standard in visit and situation, staff service rating, evaluation of staff friendliness, helpfulness, and professional appearance, tangible evidence of service quality. Real-time information accuracy, trustworthiness of announced schools and arrival times. Intermodal integration, the physically terminal designate airport, training station, and bus depots as integrated transport hubs with minimal distance between connection point and coverage connect and clear the third procedures to ensure tours feel safe and easily transition between rail, bus, and taxi. Last mile situation solution, formal integration of micromobility, a scooter, bike share, and ride-hailing service directly into the station premise. And ticketing integration, the seamless transaction. The single pass system offering us unified electric car or open mass that covers all public transport modes and maybe include tourist attraction, governor integrated disease management. Smart picking for tracing, using dynamic or zonal pricing that is simple and easy to understand compared to complex local forests. And digital wallet, acceptance of international payment method and mobile payment every to remove the need for local currency. And human hospitality in the transit environment. Personnel and expression maker training driver and conducting as K again. In the hospitality can authorize the provide basic goods and cultural orientation, provide service, staff provide activity offering assistance to tourists with maps or language, entertaining to be asked, and the role of touching informative expressing text multiple enough information point directing within major traffic groups. And next, transport and accommodation similarity, hotel transport, public transport operate offering the vendor shuttle service, addition to major hotels culture and digital partnership. Hotel displaying real-time public transit video on lobby screen or in-room TVS ticket distribution. Hotel selling integrated public transit facility directly on the fourth desk. Constellation summary and call to action. K is a public transportation is a strategy as a for tourism development and service delivery. Hospitality managed service excellent in transport equipped a seamless blend of one operational efficiency, two technological integration, and three good human empathy. And that's probably enough of an expectation for now. If we said anything inappropriate, it applies. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.